Hello students. So today I am going to discuss about some important MCQs from human reproduction chapter of class 12 that is very much important for upcoming examination like JENPAS, UG and etc. Mainly for JENPAS UG. So let's start. And before start I want to say, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming new practice sets regarding JENPAS UG and or board exams, and please share it with your friends also. So let's start. First question: in human females, meiosis 2 is not completed until uterine implantation, birth, puberty and fertilization. We know this is regarding oogenesis. So the answer is option D, fertilization is the right answer. Question number 2. Which of the following layer is an antral follicle is acellular? Which is acellular? Stroma, granulosa, theca interna or zona pellucida? Right answer is zona pellucida. It is the structure of secondary oocyte. Next question. Which of the following events is not associated with ovulation in human female? Not associated. Option A, release of secondary oocyte, large LH surge, decrease in estradiol, full development of Graafian follicle. Option A, B, D are the part of the human female ovulation, and option C, decrease in estradiol, is not associated with it. So option C is the right answer. Question number 4. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as. What is ectopic pregnancy? Mainly pregnancy. After pregnancy, the embryo implantation occurs in the uterus, which is in the female organ. And if embryo implantation occurs other than the uterus, it is called ectopic pregnancy. So option D, implantation of embryo at site other than uterus, is called ectopic pregnancies. It is like an abnormal features. Okay. Question number 5. Which of the following cells during gametogenesis is normally diploid? First cell is generally diploid. Option A, spermatogonia, secondary polar body, primary polar body or spermatid. Let's see. Secondary polar body, primary polar body and spermatids are formed after the cell division, mainly after meiosis. So that cells are generally diploid. And option A, spermatogonia is haploid. Spermatogonia is diploid, and option B, C, D are haploid cell because they are formed after meiosis. Question number 6. Capacitations refer to change in the ovum after fertilization, sperm after fertilization, sperm before fertilization and ovum before fertilization. That is the activation of sperm before fertilization. So option C is the right answer. Question number 7. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of. What is the option A, vas deferens, option B, mammary glands, option C, uterus, option D, prostate gland. Here the option C, uterus, is the surgical remover of hysterectomy. Option C is the right answer. Question number 8. Which of these not an important component of initiation of parturition in humans? Not important. Option A, release of oxytocin. Option B, release of prolactin. Option C, increase in estrogen and progesterone ratio. Option D, synthesis of prostaglandin, which is not important component. So option B, prolactin, is not important component of initiation of parturition in human body. Question number 9. The shared termination duct of the reproductive and urinary system in human male is option A, urethra, option B, uterus, option C, vas deferens, option D, vas efferentia. Here the urethra is the right answer, not shared in initially duct of reproductive and urinary system. Urethra is the right answer. Question number 10. The main function of mammalian corpus luteum. Main function of corpus luteum, which is formed after the ovulation. Option A, estrogen only. Option B, progesterone. Option C, human chorionic gonadotropin. Option D, relaxin. So here option B, progesterone, is the right answer. And estrogen from Graafian follicle, human chorionic gonadotropin from placenta, and relaxin also from placenta. So it is very important question. Please remember it. Question number 11. Select the correct option describing gonadotropin activity in normal pregnant female. Correct opinion. So option A, high level of FSH and LH stimulates the thickening of endometrium. High level of FSH and LH facilitates implantation of the embryo. High level of the HCG stimulates the synthesis of the estrogen and progesterone. Here option C, high level of HCG stimulates the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. Very good question, very much important question. So please make sure to remember it. Question number 12. What is the correct sequence of sperm formation? Spermatogonia, spermatozoa, spermatocyte, and spermatids. Option A. Option B, spermatogonia, spermatocyte, spermatid, and spermatozoa. Option B is the right answer. Look, if you read about the structure of the sperm production in spermatogenesis, it is very easy question and it is very much important question. So option B is the right answer regarding the question about the correct sequence of sperm formation. Okay, next question. Question number 13. Which one of the following is not the function of placenta? Not the function of. Facilitates removal of carbon dioxide and waste material from embryo. It is the function, we know. Secrete oxytocin during parturition. It is the not function of. Then option B is the right answer. And let's see the other options. Facilitates supply of oxygen and nutrition to the embryo. Right. Secretes estrogen. This is also the function. So option B, secretes oxytocin during parturition, is not the function of placenta, is the right answer for this question. Question number 14. Menstrual flow occurs due to the lack of oxytocin, vasopressin, progesterone, or FSH. Very much important question. Option C, progesterone, is the right answer. Question number 15. The figure shows a section of human ovary. Select the option which gives the correct identification of either A or B and function of characteristics. Let's see. It is the diagram of a human ovary. Option A, B is the corpus luteum and secrete progesterone. In the very first option is the right answer. I think we not need to check other. Okay, option B, corpus luteum, secrete progesterone. Question number 16. In our society, women are blamed for producing female children. Choose the correct answer for the sex determination in human. Option A, due to some defect like aspermia in man, due to the genetic makeup of particular sperm which fertilizes egg, due to genetic makeup of the egg, due to some defect in the woman. Look, we know that it is not in our hand and it is after the genetic makeup of particular sperm which is fertilizes the egg. Either it is male or female, we don't know. It is totally depend upon the genetic makeup of the particular sperm which fertilizes the egg. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 17. The fetal ejection reflex in humans triggers the release of oxytocin from fetal pituitary, human chorionic gonadotropin from placenta, HPL from placenta, oxytocin from maternary pituitary. What is the correct answer? Here oxytocin from maternal pituitary is the correct answer, which is the fetal ejection reflex in human triggers the release. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Question number 18. Which one of the following statements is false respect to viability of mammalian sperm? Viability of mammalian sperm. Sperm is viable only up to 24 hours, which is the false statement. Which is the false statement. It is not the correct answer. So option A is the right answer for this question. Question number 19. Signals for parturition originates from. Signals from parturition originates from. Option A, both placenta as well as fully developed fetus. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 20. In a normal pregnant woman, the amount of total gonadotropin activity was assessed. The result expected was, what is the result? Option D, high level of circulating HCG to stimulate estrogen and progesterone synthesis. That is the result when total gonadotropin activity was assessed. Question number 21. The Leydig cells as found in human body are secretory source of which of this following? This is the very much important question, and please make sure to remember it. It is the androgens. Androgens is the correct answer. Question number 23. Let's say 23, 22 is not more important. This type of question is not coming in your JENPAS like exam. So question number 23. The secretory phase in human menstrual cycle is also called. Which is the secretory phase on human menstrual cycle? Very much important question. Option C, luteal phase, and lasts for about 13 days. 24. If some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from which of these following parts? Vasa efferentia in human reproductive system get blocks. Then it's not transported from testis to epididymis. Okay. Question number 25. The testes in human are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. The purpose served for is maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the initial internal body temperature. It is the correct answer. Question number 25, answer option A. Next question 27. What happens during fertilization in human after many sperm reaches close to the ovum? What happened? Then secretion of acrosome helps the sperm enter in the cytoplasm of ovum through zona pellucida. This is called the acrosome reaction also. Question number 28. About which day in normal human menstrual cycle does rapidly secretion of LH normally occurs? LH secretion, that is 14th day. After LH secretion, ovulation occurs. That is the main question. Ovulation occurs in the 14th days. Which hormone is caused? LH hormone is caused. Very much important topic. Then 29. Sertoli cells are found in where? Sertoli cells are found in seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to the germ cells. We know about it. The question number 30. Vasa efferentia are the ductales leading from where? Vasa efferentia leading from reti testis to vas deferens. Seminal plasma in human males rich in fructose and calcium. Okay, it is the very important question. Seminal plasma rich in fructose mainly. Question number 32. The first movement of the fetus and appearance of hair on its heads are usually observed during which month of pregnancy? The answer is 5th month. Question number 33. The second maturation division of mammalian ovums occurs. Second maturation division occurs until after ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. Okay. Question number 34. Which one of the following statements about human sperm is correct? Correct statement. And the correct statement is option number B. The sperm lysins in the acrosome dissolved the egg envelope, facilitated fertilization. Again in acrosome reaction. So acrosome reaction, cortical reaction is very much important. Question number 35. Which one of the following statement about morula in human is correct? Good question. And the answer is it has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote, but much more DNA. Option A is the correct answer. Then 36. The part of fallopian tube closest to the ovary. Part of fallopian tube closest to the ovary is infundibulum, and after infundibulum there is ampulla, and ampulla isthmus. In ampulla fertilization occurs. In ampulla morula formation occurs. In ampulla blastula formation occurs, and after blastula that is implanted in uterus. Okay. Question number 37. Signals from fully developed fetus and placenta ultimately lead to parturition, which requires the release of oxytocin from maternal pituitary. The question is discussed earlier. So 38. In human female, the blastocyst Forms placenta even before implantation? No. Gets implanted into uterus 3 days after ovulation? That is also incorrect option. So let's see other option. Option D, gets implanted in the endometrium by the trophoblast cell. We know that in endometrium layer in uterus and tropoblastic cells from blastocyst is implanted. So option D is correct answer. Question number 39. Secretion from which one of the are rich in fructose, calcium and some other enzyme? Question number 39. Option A, male accessory glands is the correct answer. Seminal plasma in human is rich. Seminal plasma in human is rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. This is the very much important question. Repeated twice or thrice we see. So make sure to revise it. Question number 41. Which one of the following is correct matching? Correct matching. So let's see. And the right answer is secretory phase. Secretory phase, development of corpus luteum and increased secretion of progesterone. And it is questions from menstrual cycle and changes of ovary and other uterus. And make sure to revise it if you are not from your textbook. And option B is correct answer. Question number 42. Given diagram sketches and marking A, B, C, D. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is, let's see, option A, vas deferens, correct. Option B, seminal vesicle. Option C, prostate. Option D, bulbourethral gland. So option A is the correct answer regarding this diagram. Question number 43. Fetal ejection reflex in human female induced by fully developed fetus and placenta. Option B is correct answer. Option B. The correct sequence of spermatogenetic stage leading from formation of sperm, and this question is also discussed earlier. It is a repeated question, so please make sure to revise it again because it is important. It is an important question. So option A, spermatogonia, then spermatocyte, then spermatid, then sperms. Okay. Question number 45. Which one of the following is most likely root cause why menstruation is not taking place in regularly cycled human female? Question number 45. And the answer is maintenance of high concentration of sex hormone in the bloodstream. That is the reason. Question number 46. A change in amount of yolk and its distribution in the egg will affect pattern of cleavage. What is cleavage? After fertilization, the division of this zygote. Okay, so option is the correct answer. In humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, the male sperm cells differentiate into first meiotic cell division. So option D, first meiotic cell division, secondary spermatocytes occurs. Okay, formed. Question number 48. In human adult, female oxytocin causes strong uterine contraction during parturition. Option B, oxytocin during parturition. Okay. Question number 49. Which one of the following statement is incorrect statement? So incorrect statement. At menopause, the female there is especially abrupt increase in gonadotropin hormone. Correct. The beginning of cycle menstruation is called menarche. Yes. During normal menstruation, about 40 ml blood is lost. Correct. Option D, menstrual fluid can easily clot. No. If menstrual fluid is clot, then some abnormality present. Okay. That is not good for health. Question number 50. Which extraembryonic membrane in human prevents dissection of embryo inside the uterus? And the option number B is the correct answer. And that's for the today, and the other questions will be discussed later. So please revise and practice and go through your text if you are not understand these questions because your basics are not clear. So go through the textbook and clear. So make sure to revise it, and that's for today. So please subscribe and share if you like.